Hi, what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. This is about the only thing you need to do to show your support and motivate me to keep on going and creating new contents for you to watch. Today we're going to be making gingerbread pancakes. Nothing screams more like a holiday than the smell and the taste of gingerbread. Wouldn't you agree? I will be posting the recipe for this pancake on the description below, as well as the end of the video. So just keep on watching. We will be using dried red lentils. For this tutorial, I already hydrated my red lentils and I have it here to show it to you. So I'm using for this recipe 1 cup of dry red lentils. After it fully hydrates and I rinsed, it's going to yield just shy of 2 cups. I have 1 cup and 3/4 in here. Now it's just a matter of blending it all together and then cooking our pancakes. So we have the hydrated red lentil, milk, and I am using almond milk because this is primarily what I buy at the house. 1 whole egg. I did try this recipe without the egg. I know there are some vegetarians that watch my channel, and I use psyllium husk. It didn't quite turn out as good. I have melted butter, Yucca starch. Now we're going to add literally a pinch of salt, brown sugar, gingerbread spicy, a lot of it, baking powder, and I have a tiny bit of apple cider vinegar. It reacts with the baking soda. You can see. Blend it really well. The time will vary based on your blender. I have my Super Vitamix that I love. Okay, let me show you the consistency. And I'm lightly coating with cooking oil. I can see my test pancake is looking beautiful, so I am going to continue and make more. I was trying to get a good cut so you can see what it looks like inside. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback, and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to enjoy my gingerbread red lentil pancake. See you next time. Bye-bye.